Hello. Now, slowly going towards more programs on Constructor, and this one is going to introduce to you an object inside main and the main of another object. So this is mainly showing you an object made inside another object. Now this is going to bring two objects in existence. One is the one that has been given to us by BlueJ. BlueJ is a window where we can execute Java. So BlueJ helps us in many semi-done work. So what it does is, it gives us a colorful presentation format. It gives us these kind of boxes with the names written on them. So this is the way of presenting a class. This is the way of presenting an object. An object brings a class into reality. So when you use an object, that object has got all the properties of the class inside it. And you can have multiple objects of a class. So the class becomes the source and it is replicated with the help of the objects. Now in Java, with BlueJ, we are going to utilize the facility of one object which is given in the project window like here, and inside the program I can make another object. Now here the name of the object is OBJ. I have created an object of class pay, and this is the way of creating an object. You cannot create an object just by writing pay obj. You have to also write new and write the name of the class once again with brackets. This is basically to execute the constructor in the instruction line. After you create the object, you can activate the corresponding methods using the object. So once you create the object, you can write obj.input, obj.compute, obj.display. Now those are not exactly the same as direct call. So if you call it directly, it is one set. If you call it using obj, it is another set. Okay. Now what will I do is, I am going to show you when this object got created in the project window, it activated the constructor. Now if I call main, you will see the call of main will bring one more constructor. Now that is because this object got created. This object is different from the object which is outside. That has got a name P2 and this has got a name OBJ. Okay. Now if I enter the amount required here, this amount goes to basic pay, and suppose this amount goes to the tax, then the calculation is done and the output is printed, and this entire thing is done from main. Inside main, another object was created. So remember that here in this setup, there is one object which is outside and there is one object which is inside. Okay.